Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to test out a new paper that I found out about. Trying to get it straight. This is the paper. Whoops, sorry. And I'm going to try it out to see how it holds up with the heat. Okay, the colors I'm using today is I'm going to use the Senorita Magenta by Jacquard, or Pinata ink, and I'm going to use some Passion Purple. Of course, I'm going to use the Pinata Brass because I absolutely love this. Make sure you shake it up. Can you hear the little balls rattling? Make sure you shake it up really super good. I'm going to be using 99% alcohol, which I put in this little squirt bottle. It's easier. I do have, if I want to do some blending solution, it's kind of, I need to do a new label, but this is my homemade blending solution with 91% alcohol and then 3 drops per ounce of the vegetable glycerin. And that's basically all I'm going to use. I am going to try something. I am going to put the couple drops in here and some alcohol and then just put it all over to see how it works. So, without any further ado, I'm going to get started, and I'm going to try to straighten that out again. Wait a minute, sorry about that. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to start. This will be time-lapsed, but I will come back at the end after it's done and talk about what I think about the paper, okay? So here we go. But this is not for testing the alcohol ink today. This is testing the paper. And I'm going to leave that gold right there. All I need to do now is just go over it and dry it just a little bit in some spots, because I can see. The reason I use this for drying is this has got a higher heat and you can't adjust it. So I use it on the high far away to dry. Now, I will be honest, I'm not the best in the world but at alcohol inks, because I'm still learning, but I wanted to try out this paper, so hopefully those of you who do a lot of alcohol inks might consider getting this paper. This is a 12 by 12. I will put a link in my description to where you can get it on Amazon. And remember, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I can I get a little tiny kickback from it if you buy it, but it's at no cost to you. So anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me move this over. So it's up in the corner. And I will put a couple of close-up still shots at the end of this video. So thank y'all for watching. I love the fluid arts right out of you. I appreciate all of my subscribers, even my new ones. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love to have you join the little DFD squad I have here. And our squad goals are make art, buy more materials, make more art. I know that sounds weird, but that's what our squad goals is to buy more materials to make more art. So thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video. So bye for now. Sorry, whispered that. Bye for now.